Hello friends, welcome. Today I teach some dimension formula of some physically quantities. So first physically quantities energy density. Friends, formula for energy density is a energy upon volume. So first of all, what is the dimension formula for energy? So friends, in last video we learned dimension formula for energy is a m1 L2 T raised to minus 2. Okay? And volume, its dimension formula is a m0 L3 T raised to 0. Okay? Now we solve this. So m raised to 1 minus 0 means 1. L raised to 2 minus 3 means minus 1. And T raised to minus 2. Okay? Second physically quantity is a efficiency. Friends, its formula is a output energy upon input energy. Now we solve this formula. Okay, input and output dimension formula for energy is same. M1 L2 T minus 2 upon M1 L2 T minus 2. So m raised to 1 minus 1 means 0. L raised to 2 minus 2 means 0. And T raised to minus 2 plus 2 means 0. Means efficiency is a dimension formula is M0, L0, T0. Means dimension formula less. Okay. Next physically quantity is a temperature. Friends, in SI system, now we have 7 physically quantities. Okay? Here, the unit of temperature is a Kelvin. It has no any type of formula, but its dimension formula M0, L0, K raised to 1, because Kelvin is the unit of temperature. So here we can write down its dimension formula is M0, L0, T0, K raised to 1. Okay, next, heat capacity entropy. Friends, its formula is a energy upon temperature. Okay? So dimension formula for the energy is a M1 L2 T raised to minus 2. And dimension formula for temperature is available M0 L0 T0 K raised to 1. So here m raised to 1 minus 0 means 1, L raised to 2 minus 0 means 2, T raised to minus 2 into 0 means minus 2. Means minus 2 minus 2 minus 0 means minus 2. And K raised to minus 1. Okay? Next physically quantity is a specific energy. And specific energy, its formula is a heat energy upon mass into temperature. Means heat energy upon mass into temperature. Okay, heat energy means energy. Its dimension formula is M1 L2 T minus 2 upon mass means M1 L0 T0, and temperature M0, L0, T0, K raised to 1. Okay friends, look here, first of all, base are same. So add the power, means M1, L2, T raised to minus 2 as it is here. M1, L0, T0, K raised to 1. So move. So M raised to 1 minus 1, 0. L raised to 2 minus 0 means 2. T raised to minus 2. And K raised to minus 1. Okay. Next is a latent heat. So friends, its formula is a energy upon mass. Okay, so dimension formula for energy is a M1 L2 T minus 2 upon mass, means M1 L0 T0. So M raised to 1 minus 1 means 0, L raised to 2 and T raised to minus 2. Last, Planck constant. Friends, its formula is a energy upon frequency. So dimension formula for energy is a M1 L2 T minus 2, and for frequency dimension formula is M0 L0 T raised to minus 1. So here M raised to 1 minus 0 means 1, L raised to 2 minus 0 means 2, and T raised to minus 3 minus 2 and plus 1 means minus 1. Okay. Friends, look here. Now we have so many physical quantities, and now we prove its dimension formula. So first physical quantity is a current. Friends, in SI system, now we have unit of current is a ampere. So its dimension formula is a, directly we can write down M0, L0, T0, but A raised to 1, A for ampere. Okay. Second physical quantity is a charge. So charge, its formula is a current into time. So dimension formula for current is, we know that M0, L0, T0, A raised to 1. And dimension formula for time is a M0, L0, T1. So dimension formula for the charge is a M0, L0, T1, A1. Okay. Third physical quantity is a current density. Okay. So its formula is a current upon area. So friends, first of all we can write down dimension for formula of the current is a M0, L0, T0, A raised to 1 upon area. Area, its dimension formula is M0, L2, T raised to 0. Okay. So here M raised to 0 minus 0 means 0. L raised to 0 minus 2 means minus 2. T raised to 0 minus 0 and A raised to 1. Okay. This is a dimension formula for the current density. Next, potential difference. Okay, so its formula is a work upon charge. Okay, friends, what is the dimension formula for the work? M1, L2, T raised to minus 2. and dimension formula for charge is available M0 L0 T1 A1. M0 L0 T1 A1. So m raised to 1 minus 0 means m raised to 1, L raised to 2 minus 0 means 2, T raised to minus 2 then minus 1 means minus 3, and A raised to minus 1. Okay, this is a dimension formula for the potential difference. Next, resistance. Friends, in standard 10 we learn Ohm's law and its formula R is equal to V upon I, means potential difference upon current. So resistance is equal to potential difference upon current. Okay, dimension formula for potential difference is available here. M1 L2 T minus 3 A raised to minus 1, and dimension formula for current is a M0 L0 T0 A raised to 1. Okay, so here dimension formula for the resistance is a M1 L2 T raised to minus 3 A raised to minus 1 and minus 1 means A raised to minus 2. Next, physical quantity is a capacitance and its formula is a charge upon potential difference. Okay, dimension formula for the charge is available. It's M0, L0, T1 and A1 upon potential difference here M1 L2 T minus 3 A raised to minus 1. Okay, M raised to 0 minus 1 means minus 1, L raised to 0 minus 2 means minus 2, T raised to 1 minus 3 means T raised to 4, minus minus plus, and A raised to here minus 1 and means A raised to 2. Okay, next, electric field. Friends, formula for the electric field is equal to force upon charge. Okay, so dimension formula for force is equal to M1 L1 T minus 2 upon charge. Charge are available here M0 L0 T1 A1. Okay, so M raised to 1 minus 0 means 1, L raised to 1 minus 0 means 1, T raised to minus 2 and minus 1 minus 3, and A raised to minus 1. Next is the electric flux. Electric flux, its formula is a electric field and area. Okay, so dimension formula for the electric field is a M1 L1 T minus 3 A raised to minus 1, and area means M0 L2 T0. So here M raised to 1 plus 0 means M1, L raised to 1 plus 2 means L raised to 3, T raised to minus 3, and A raised to minus 1. Friends, so many physical quantities are available. I give some physical quantity in homework. You prove and solve dimension formula. Thanks.